Hi there, it's me again, Kupplung. Fancy an extra disc? Because today I'll be talking about our two servo disc couplings SCL2 and SCL3. What makes them special is that, compared to other R+W couplings, our SCLs have disc packs arranged in parallel. This makes them ideal for high precision and highly dynamic servo drives. These dynamic motors can be found, for example, in automation systems, packaging machines, and industrial robots in the automotive industry. Disc servo drive couplings compensate for axial, lateral, and angular shaft misalignments and are used in environments with corrosive materials and high temperatures. They are also easy to install and maintain. R+W has developed the new SCL series to meet these challenges. The coupling is flexible and works accurately even with large misalignments. It's easy to assemble, maintenance-free, and handy in format. The new SCL precision coupling with a disc pack made of highly elastic spring steel offers versatile flexibility even under the most adverse conditions. For flexibility in accurate form. Do you like it?